Are you still using Unity's default tag system? Why not to create your own tags? I think it's a better idea. Let's create it. Because Unity's tag system needs a string, and you need to implement all the tags on the all different type of requirements like enemies or for pickups like pickups. You need to first create it, and it's a string that can be expensive. So I think it's better to create your own tag system that can be in a good way. Let's create a new script tags and naming it tags better. Create a enum tag and write all the tags you need to implement in your game. Points, enemy, win, lose, and whatever you want. For simple, I'm just going to create a public tag get. It's better to set it as private. I think it's need to implement through script inspector field serialized field. There you go. So here's your simple tag system. Okay. For event, you do not need an Unity tag default. Just paste your script here and assign a tag. It's so easy to implement. Let's edit script for player. Now do not need of it like string for comparison that can be expensive or sometime face errors. If other code try component out tags. I'm trying to make everything clear here. Let's make a switch. So here's we got all the tags in the game we created in a tag script. I'm just going to paste my previous code here for a win scenario. Let's check it. Let me check it. Okay, let's move our player towards tag, and you can see it's win, a simple win. Let's make it more handy. Create a new script tags manager. Suppose you want to win based on pickups. All you need to collect for this, create a script tags manager, and here we will get all the things we need as I explained. Tags. Okay, let's create a script public void get tags. Okay, let's create a switch. Create a new variable like total pickups or target pickups, whatever. Okay, make a count for each tag. So here we got all the tags in the current level as a target, so we can check here. Here we need to implement the player count too. Let's first break an instance of tag manager to easily get everywhere. Okay, got it. Let's move to player to count our current pickup. Current pickup count. Implement our pickup and destroy our current tag pickup. I didn't destroy again yet. Okay, here's the condition. If tag is current pickup greater than equal to tax manager dot total pickup. So here we are in green. Else let's copy the loop scenario. So we can easily get our total pickups count. We just need to call the tag manager for each tag, like tag this. So it will increment the all pickups or count it to the total variable. We can get that everywhere. Scenario I don't have control for now. Create a script. Here's I think I forgot to implement tag script on pickup. Wait. Yeah. Strong, no need of tags. Just create. So easy. I don't think so. Okay. Here's we got all the increment counts. Let's move players for one pickup and direct move, and we got scenario of lose because all the coins are not collected. Make it gain all collected and win variable. So you can do whatever type of requirements you need from your levels, like win based on the total coins, and you can get total coins count, or something else that need to implement in your level. It's a very good idea if you want to give your tags this type of scripts to your designers, and they can easily implement that scenario and do not need to share your project settings. I think it's okay for now. Please like, subscribe.